Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So you guys, welcome back to another hair video. Y'all see how this hair is looking. So we gonna try to get this wig detangled and together. So yeah, I seen this style on TikTok, right? And I'm going to try to recreate it using this hair. Yes, I did wash this hair, but then after I washed it, I just kind of threw it in the bag and put it away. So we're going to try to get her detangled and looking a whole lot better. I want to apply some gloves real quick because, you know, my nails, I try to take off some nails and I got hangnails and stuff. I ain't got time for everything to be snagging. And y'all, tell me why I got to work in the morning. And I decided to do this now. And it's like about to be either like 11 or 12 or something like that right now. I'm just like, I'm always just doing stuff backwards. Everybody that knows me knows that I'm always just doing something backwards. It's gonna be a challenge. I see that now. This is gonna be a challenge. Okay, yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like right now. I did detangle it a little bit. Now I'm about to blow dry it. I had to take it off the mannequin because this was not doing the job, okay? That head kept on going every which way. I know it was a lot to detangle, but also, you guys, if you guys want to see what this hair was like when I first had got it, I do have a video on my channel. I will link it in the description box so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested in this hair. But yeah, let's continue the process. Okay, you guys, so this is what I meant by giving it just like a blown out look. Not nothing like super straight, but just like something that can, you know, be worked with more. So for this install, I am going to be using Got To Be glue and the Got To Be spray. Y'all, I had to get away from the Ghost Bond. If you've seen in my previous installs, I was using Ghost Bond, and my little edges was like starting to go through it. I noticed like it was starting to thin out. But if you guys have some other glue that doesn't do all that to your edges, then let me know, because I would like to try it out. I kind of feel like me and this glue right here, me and this Got To Be glue, I started off using it and then I started getting into like other glues and like the Ghost Bond glue, and I just was like, yeah, this is way much easier. But now it's like I have to like go back to this right here and kind of try to make it work, because this was the only stuff that did not like ever pull out my edges or anything like that. So y'all, let me just say that with the method I use in this video, it has been 5 days now and my wig is still in place. So I definitely recommend doing it this way if you will be using the Got To Be gel and spray. I seen this YouTube video. This girl was saying like when you use the Got To Be gel to do your first layer like really thick and then dry it, and then come back on with a second layer, but on your second layer to do like a thinner coat. So like make the first one like thicker and then the second one a little thinner, and it's supposed to give it like a a longer hold. Like, it's supposed to make your wig last longer. But we gonna see. Y'all know y'all see a style and then it just be like, oh, I want to try this. Like, this is so cute. Then you go try it and you be like, what did I do wrong? Hopefully, y'all, hopefully this turns out right. Y'all seen my last video on my channel when I try to do those braids. They be making it look so simple. Then when you go try and do it, it'd be like, okay, where did I mess up at then? And I have been trying to work on these lace frontals. I mean, I'm still kind of learning. I do a lot of research and I do try to get better and better at every day at these. Or not every day, but y'all know what I mean. Cause yeah, like, it's still some things that I need to tweak, but you know, we're gonna get it together. My son just busted in here like he owns something.
Mommy.
Yes, yes. Now I'm just going to take the spray, got to be spray, and just do like a little bit, just like to just have that extra security. I'm just gonna do it lightly in certain areas, because you know this stuff does drip down anyways. So I'm just gonna do that, just lightly around. All right, so it is kind of tacky. So what I'm gonna do is tie it down and then I'm gonna blow dry some more. I may look over here some just to make sure I'm placing it right because my mirror is on the side. So y'all gonna be like, why she keep looking everywhere else? Let me just say, where my brush at first? I thought this hair was combed out. It's not. It's not. But you know, it's fine. We gonna make it work. So, if y'all see this looking crazy, just know, if I had a fresh wig, this would make this so much easier. What you need help with, Jace? What you trying to do? I just want y'all to know that through this process of curling the front pieces of my hair, I did almost burn myself a couple times. So y'all be very, very careful if you guys are going to try this style. Okay, y'all, so far this is where we are at. I'm going to fluff this out some. Hopefully we don't mess it up, but I'm gonna make it just a little bit more voluminous, and I'm gonna take care of this little light spot here. It look lighter on camera, but like in person you can barely see. But I'm gonna try to put something on there just because like on the cameras it's hidden, but like really it's not. But I don't know if y'all can see it, but it really don't look like that. So I just put on a little dress. You guys can't really see. Now that I look at it, it's like it's growing on me. It's growing on me, y'all. But I am going to try to fluff this out some. Hopefully, we do not mess it up. Like, see what I'm talking about? This is why we can't be separated. We'll just hide that piece, okay? Because I'm not going back in right now. We'll just hide that. I'm not gonna mess with the front pieces because I don't really want to mess up the look. I thought it was worth my little time. I do like it. I do. Like, I like the messy look type-ish. Like, it's giving like the messy curl look. And then like my ponytail like wasn't sleek because like this hair was, y'all seen, it was in a condition. But had this would have been right out the box, this would have slicked right down. That wouldn't even been a problem. But it kind of like goes with it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person, when I look in the mirror, like it goes with it. Like, it actually fits. Like, it doesn't look bad. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.